everyone, welcome back to the channel CCUK Resin. And you may have noticed my website's been a little bit clunky over the past few days, and it even reverted back to an old one. So these bags under the eyes are because I've been fixing it over the last couple of days and doing a few updates. And I just wanted to give you a few updates. So the first one being, whether you go to ccukresin.com, .co.uk or .shop, you're going to get through to my website. And the other thing I wanted to do is there's a lot of new people coming into resin at them. I wanted to do a way of sharing some of my knowledge with you all. If you're wanting to just get into resin for the first time, few hints and tips. So I've created a free beginner's guide. So go to ccukresin.com, click on the free beginner's guide, and you will get this 14-page ultimate guide for beginners getting into resin. Took a little bit of time, but I think there's some hints and tips in there. Do you know what? Even if you're an experienced resin artist, you might get a few hints and tips, and that is free. All you need to do, add it to your cart, look at that price, 0.00. Once you've checked out for free, so it's not going to cost you anything, the download will come straight to your emails. You can have a read through and let me know what you think. So that is the first update. If you've not been on the website for a while either, I've been working really hard on a blog. So we've got loads of different resin stories on there, common problems, troubleshooting, how to grow a little bit on YouTube and things like that. Lots of articles there for you to have a read through. And then as well, whilst we're talking about growing on YouTube, I've had a few customers recently on the coaching, which is amazing. And if you click on coaching, guys, you might have to push it twice. You'll go down to either one-to-one resin coaching or you'll go to one-to-one YouTube coaching. Now, the great thing is I can model this coaching around whatever you want to learn. So as long as you let me know what you're wanting to learn, we will get through it. It's as simple as that. And at the moment, it's still on that introductory price. That is only going to last till the 31st of July, after which the price will go up. And what I will do is honour any bookings that have come in before the 31st of July at that special price. Now, the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to is custom pieces. I've had a few custom orders recently, which is amazing because it allows you to tell me what you want. Coasters, trays, tumblers, jewelry, other memorial pieces, whatever you want. You select your budget. Give me an idea of how many you're wanting. Could be one, it could be 1,000. And give me an idea of what you're actually wanting from that piece, whether it's colors, whether it's techniques, and I'll come back to you with a quote and we'll get your dreams made into reality, which is absolutely amazing. Then as well, I just want to draw your attention to YouTube, because we're currently at nearly 13,500 subscribers. So thank you, everyone. We're getting there one day at a time. But I wanted to draw your attention to join membership. So if you click on join membership on the website, ccukresin.com, it takes you straight through to the option to join membership. And you may have noticed in the past week or so, the biggest perk that you're going to get from that membership for a lot of people is you can be part of those creation lives where we do crazy creations. We do them live and we're going to be doing them every week, but only for members. You might get to see the demold, but you won't get to see the process unless you're a member. And it's only $4.99 a month, which is £1.25 a week, guys. Great way to support the channel. If just 10% of the subscribers were members, I could do this full time, I could give you more content, and we could do lives every day. But we're not there yet. So click on join, and you will get that. Some of the other perks of joining membership are the fact that you get early access to every video. As soon as I upload it, you get access to it if you're a member. And on top of that, you get entered into a free prize draw every month where people win a piece of my art. It will get shipped out to you wherever you are in the world, completely free of charge. And then, if we go back to the website, if there's any artwork that you like in my shop, I'll send you a discount code for being a member, whether it's frogs, whether it's coasters, whether it's axolotls, whether it's wall art, whether it's trays, maybe it's a tumbler you're after, you know? Whatever you want, you can get the discount off everything on the website, excluding the EyeCandy pigments. Now, bit of an update on that as well. There's lots of updates tonight. I spoke to Jeff earlier on in the week. Now, the reason it's taken a little bit longer than we thought, I was thinking first week of June they'd be here, but it's because I asked him to put a little card in there explaining about the Summer of EyeCandy collaboration that we're going to be doing. So they've just taken an extra week or so to get printed. They should hopefully be shipped out next week, and you should have them within 2 weeks, even if you're in the UK. So get pre-ordering is what I'll say, so you don't miss out. And if you're in the US and you want to get it directly from eyecandypigments.com, using my discount code CCUK, I will be announcing the date when you're going to be able to do that at some point next week. So this is the website, guys. I've spent a lot of time updating it. Let me know what you think. Get on there, ccukresin.com.co.uk or .shop, whichever one you want. Have a look at it. Let me know what you think. Read the blog. Download that free guide. You know, that's what it's there for. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, we've got that auction on Sunday at 5 p.m. on the channel, where I'm going to be auctioning away some of my resin art, as well as that giant wood and resin carving of a wolf howling at the moon. That'll be on the channel at 5 p.m. UK time this Sunday. And apart from that, keep being you, keep creating, love your resin, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.